Hey, Namecheap is one of the cheapest hosting providers you can buy today. But for a real business website in 2026, cheap hosting can either save you money or quietly cost you customers. If you need the lowest possible starting cost, Namecheap looks like a clear winner. If you need long-term speed and stability, the decision gets more complicated. So, before you buy based on price alone, here is the honest breakdown. Namecheap is known for extremely low introductory pricing. You can launch a website for just a few dollars per month. For freelancers, startups, and small business owners trying to reduce overhead, that entry price is very attractive. But the first thing you need to understand is renewal pricing. The advertised price is usually tied to a longer commitment. When the first term ends, renewal rates increase. This is normal across the hosting industry, but many buyers ignore it when choosing a host. If you are planning your business budget, always calculate the second-year cost before purchasing. Even with higher renewals, Namecheap still remains one of the most affordable hosting providers available. Now let's talk about performance. Cheap hosting often raises concerns about slow loading speeds. For small business websites, portfolio sites, and landing pages, Namecheap performs within expectations. Pages load quickly enough for local service websites and basic business use. For a new website with moderate traffic, performance is usually stable and reliable. Most small businesses do not start with massive traffic. Shared hosting from Namecheap is designed exactly for this early stage. It gives you enough performance to get online, build content, and attract your first customers. As traffic grows significantly, you may eventually need to upgrade to more advanced hosting. Usability is another important factor. Namecheap uses the traditional cPanel interface. It is familiar, reliable, and widely used across the hosting industry. For beginners, it may look slightly complex at first. But once you learn where the main tools are located, managing your website becomes straightforward. You can install WordPress with one click. You can connect your domain quickly. You can create professional email accounts and manage files without technical experience. This makes Namecheap a practical choice for freelancers, bloggers, and small business owners launching their first website. Support is generally responsive for basic needs. Live chat is available for common issues. For setup questions and simple troubleshooting, assistance is usually sufficient. However, this is still budget hosting. You should not expect premium enterprise-level support at the lowest pricing tier. So who should actually use Namecheap hosting? It is ideal for freelancers launching portfolio websites. It works well for bloggers starting new content sites. It is suitable for small businesses testing online presence. It is useful for startups validating ideas before scaling. Who should avoid it? If you are running a high-traffic e-commerce store, a heavy membership platform, or a mission-critical application where downtime costs money, you will likely need stronger hosting infrastructure. In those cases, shared hosting is not enough, regardless of provider. So the verdict is simple. If your priority is low cost and a reliable starting point, Namecheap is worth considering. If your priority is high-performance scaling from day one, you may need a more powerful hosting setup later. The right choice depends on your current business stage. Choose based on where your website is today, not where marketing claims say it should be. If you want to compare Namecheap with other approved hosting providers before making a final decision, check the full hosting comparison on Mercatum Digital. The link is in the description, so you can review all recommended options side by side. If this video helped you decide whether Namecheap is worth it for your business website, subscribe our channel, Mercatum Digital, for more straightforward hosting and software reviews. The goal is simple: help you choose the right tools without wasting time or money.